how to delete or edit an event in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to delete or edit an event in Google Calendar. So for that case, first of all, you have to go and open up your Google Calendar. And when you open it up, it's going to take you to this page. So over here, you can go ahead and select the tab button and then go to task. After you select the task, then you can go to event, and here you should be able to see all of the events that you've created. Or you can just go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon from the top, and then you can go to the third option, or you can go to schedule. And when you select the schedule, then you can see this option. So if you wish to edit or delete it, you can just long press on the following event, or you can just go to the calendar, and after that you can go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the top right and then go to delete. When you do that, you've successfully deleted or edited an event in Google Calendar. So that's how you can delete or edit an event in Google Calendar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.